In this tutorial, we will see that how can fix Roblox white screen glitch in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, click on that search and search for device manager. Open it. From here, you will see display adapters. Open it and here you will get your graphic card. Right click on that and select update driver. Then here you need to select for browse my computer for driver. Click on that let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click next. After selecting your driver, click on next. It will start installing drivers on your PC. Then you will get this window. You have successfully updated your drivers. You can close it and simply restart your PC. After restarting it, your problem should be fixed. But in case if you are still getting that error, what you can do is search for Roblox. Right click on that and simply uninstall it from here. After installation, open up any of the browser and simply search for roblox.com/download. If you click enter, it will take you to this page of Roblox where you can download the latest version of Roblox. That will help you to fix all the errors from here. For the third method, from your desktop, right click on that shortcut of Roblox and open up its properties where you will be on this shortcut, open this compatibility and simply select run this program is compatibility mod for. You can select here Windows 7. Click apply and OK. After doing it, you can see if your problem is fixed or not. If you are still getting the problem, you can search for Roblox support and open the first link of officialroblox.com. After writing your date of birth, you can click on that continue. Here it will show you this type of contact us page where you can write your username, first name, last name and simply select which device are you having a problem on. Then select problem type and at last simply describe your issue and click continue. So these were the fixes to fix Roblox white screen glitch in just few easy steps.